Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to create a business presentation using Google Slides step by step. Whether it's for a client pitch, team meeting, or company report, professional slides are key to making an impression. This full guide for 2026 will help you create polished and engaging business presentations. First, go to slides.google.com and log in with your Google account. Select a professional business template or start with a blank presentation if you prefer full customization. Templates help maintain a consistent corporate look and save time. Go to Slide, edit theme to customize fonts, colors, and backgrounds according to your brand or company style. Choosing consistent colors and fonts makes your presentation look professional and cohesive. Add new slides using the plus button or layout options like title slide, section header, content slide, or comparison slide. Organize slides logically. Introduction, objectives, data analysis, visuals, and conclusion. Structured slides improve audience understanding. Insert clear, concise text for each point. Add charts, graphs, tables, images, and icons to make data easy to understand. Visuals help communicate complex information effectively. Use consistent font sizes, colors, and alignment. Highlight key points with bold or accent colors, but avoid clutter. Clean formatting makes your slides readable and professional. Add subtle slide transitions and object animations via slide. Transition, choose effect, apply. Smooth transitions enhance flow without distracting the audience. Google Slides allows real-time collaboration. Click, share, arrow, add team members, arrow, set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor. Colleagues can give feedback, suggest edits, or update slides collaboratively. When ready, click Present to start full screen mode. You can also download your slides as PDF, PPTX, or share a link directly. This ensures your professional business presentation is ready for meetings, clients, or reports. And yeah, that's how to create a business presentation using Google Slides step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you make professional and impressive slides like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.